In this video, I will give you a brief introduction of affiliate marketing. Like what is affiliate marketing and why it is the easiest business model. Also, I will tell you, can you start affiliate marketing without having money or with low investment? So just keep watching this video. First, I want to tell you what is affiliate marketing. I am going to explain this entire business model. So, there are people who want a particular result. These people are already existed in the market. And there are companies with product that delivers particular result. So what you do, you will create a system that will connect people with what they want. I'll give you an example. Suppose there are people who wants to make money online. Okay. And there are certain courses that help people to make money online. So you will create a system that connect those people to get these courses without creating any product. So in affiliate marketing, you are promoting other companies' product. When you sell those products, you will get commission. It's so simple. You will get paid when you send customers to the company. That's it. Now I will tell you why affiliate marketing is the easiest business model and can you start affiliate marketing without having money. For this, we need to switch laptop screen.
Why affiliate marketing is the easiest business model? Because you don't need to create any product or service. You don't need to provide any customer service or you don't need to worry about any support system. Also, you don't need to worry about any deliveries. All these things will be taken care by the company itself. In fact, you can create passive income with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has unlimited income potential if you have a right strategy. Strategy for affiliate marketing I will tell you in the another videos. Also, you don't need to worry about shipping cost and inventory cost while doing affiliate marketing, which is very huge if you see in the other business models. It's a location-free business you can do from anywhere in the world. Also, you can build multiple streams of income. You are not dependent on just one single source of income which can be gone anytime. And yes, you can start affiliate marketing without having money, but it is a time-taking process. If you are not investing any amount, it will take a lot of time to start earning. But if you start with low investment, that's why it has low startup cost. If you start with low investment, you can earn good amount in a short time. So these are the benefits of affiliate marketing that you will not find in any other online business. That's why it is the easiest business model and you can easily make money with affiliate marketing.
So this is just a quick introduction about affiliate marketing. Now you know about affiliate marketing, but you cannot make money with affiliate marketing without having a right mindset. If you want right mindset to make money with affiliate marketing, then watch this video.